Do your lyrics sound generic? Let's fix that. Hi, I'm Slin, an Indigenous rapper from Norway. I have over 20 years of experience writing songs, and one of the most common problems I see is people feeling like their lyrics sound too generic. The good news is that is something you can improve. Here are 4 tips that have helped me write stronger and more memorable lyrics. Tip number 1. Don't edit too early. One of the reasons lyrics sound generic is because people start editing before they even finished writing. When I start a song, I don't worry about being clever, original, or perfect. I just write. I write down ideas, phrases, thoughts, or anything related to the topic that I'm writing about. The goal is to get enough material on the page. Once I have something to work with, that's when I start improving the lyrics and replacing weak lines with stronger ones. You can't edit the blank page. So before you try to make your lyrics great, make sure you actually have lyrics to work with. Tip number 2, rewrite and edit. So now you've got enough material to fill out an entire song, but the lyrics still sound weak. That's completely normal. This is where rewriting and editing become important, right? A lot of people think great lyrics are written on the first try. They're not, no matter what people tell you. Most of your favorite artists have spent years developing their songwriting skills and countless hours of rewriting their lyrics. Let me show you an example of one of my own songs. Unedited and raw, it sounded like this. I hit the beat like 808s, I know the deal. I work hard day to day just to pay my bills. I don't take time off, I'm just too serious. I'm like menopause, I don't take periods.
Man, this shit whack, man.
The ideas were there, right? But some of the lines felt weak and predictable. So I started rewriting. I kept the core ideas, but looked for stronger wording, better rhythm, and more creative ways to express the same thoughts. So here's the edited version. I've hit the lows like 808s, I know the deal. Been working hard day to day just to pay the bills. Never taking time off, too busy being serious. Motivation doesn't give this man a pause. In other words, I get no periods. To me, that final version sounds much stronger. The lesson here is simple. Your first draft doesn't have to be great. The magic often happens during the editing process. So don't be afraid to rewrite your lyrics again and again until they say exactly what you want them to say. Tip number 3, use references. One way to make your lyrics sound more unique is to use references. These can be references to movies, TV shows, books, games, sports, or anything else that has influenced you. For example, I once wrote, "This is tailored for your amusement. Yeah, I'm all about that home improvement." Did you get it? It's actually a reference to the old TV show Home Improvement.
Favorite part of gardening?
Well, I'd have to say it's getting down and dirty with my hoe.
The main character's name was Tim Taylor, so I'm playing with the idea of being tailored for something while also referencing Taylor's name and the show. Not everyone will catch every reference, and that's okay. The point is that references add personality to your lyrics. They give listeners something extra to discover and can make a line more memorable. So don't be afraid to pull inspiration from your childhood, your favorite movies, TV shows, or anything else that helped shape who you are. Those references can help make your lyrics sound more original and less generic. Tip number 4, think differently. One way to make your lyrics sound more original is to challenge clichés. Take a common saying like, "better late than never." Most people have heard that phrase hundreds of times. So instead of using it as it is, try rephrasing it. For example, "just get there. Don't worry about the timing." It's not my best line, but it shows the idea, right? The message stays the same, but the wording becomes your own. I do this all the time with common sayings, expressions, and clichés. When you take a familiar idea and express it in a different way, your lyrics instantly become more interesting and more personal. So don't be afraid to write down clichés. Just challenge yourself to rewrite them in a way that sounds like you. Those are 4 tips that can help you make your lyrics sound more original and less generic. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more songwriting tips, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next video.